Happy Sunday, guys. Look, welcome back to Tink TV. So today I'm doing something different. My second seafood boil. We reached 7,000 subscribers. I was actually supposed to do this when we reached 5,000 subscribers, but yesterday we reached 7,000 subscribers. So in honor of that, this is our celebration dinner. So you guys have some Sunday dinner with me. I don't know how I'm going to eat this. It's going to take me days to eat this. But we have king crab legs that I've never tried before. Corn on the cob. Boiled eggs. Jumbo shrimp. And sausage. Okay, now these king crab legs that I have, they are pre-cracked. So hopefully I won't have that much trouble getting them. And I'm not sure if I cooked them right. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Oh, and I have my sauce over here. I'm not sure how this is going to taste either. But it's butter with some things in my cabinet. I just threw some things in a pot and let it go. So we're going to see how this goes. Oh my goodness. These things are like really, oh my God, prickly. Okay. The first time I did my seafood boil, I did a de-shell seafood boil. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I don't have a mic. I'm working on that. Oh God. I don't have a mic, but I am working on that. And a new camera. So right now I'm just, oh, look at that. So right now I'm just recording with my cell phone like I did last time. Oh my God. Here goes. Look guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Sorry if I'm not talking to you guys. I'm sorry. This is so good. Oh my God. I forgot. 2 king crab legs. And this is Dungeness crab. Oh my God. I had to put on some black today because I didn't want to be making a mess and get it all over my clothes. Oh my God. If anybody watching wants to join me on my next seafood boil, let me know. If you're local. Oh my gosh. Y'all can tell I'm not an expert crab eater. Oh my gosh. I am not an expert. Thank God that they are already pre-shelled. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This time my butter sauce is not as spicy as I like it to be. Mm. I'm sorry. Mm. I don't have any napkins. There's butter just everywhere. Mm. 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 Oh, I didn't give you guys. Let me clean my mouth. Hang tight. So, I didn't give you guys a background on my channel. I uploaded my first consecutive video in June of last year. Actually, June the 31st of last year. And at that time, I had only 20 subscribers. So, from 20 subscribers to today, 7,100 and something. So, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I have a lot of coupon videos on my channel. I have like one natural hair. It's just a mixture of everything. I have an eyebrow tutorial. One mukbang, however you say it. Just a little bit of everything. Fitness, as you guys can see, I definitely need to lose a couple of pounds. I'm working on that. Corn cob. This is so good. Mm. Mm. This is so good. Mm. Mm. If you guys want me to do another seafood boil, let me know. Mm. Or anything else you want to see on my channel. Just so good, guys. I put on brown lipstick today because I didn't want to get on my teeth. Any color to get on my teeth. This is so good. Sausage. Anybody watching ever had king crab before? My daughter got these from Sam's Club. She got the Dungeness crab from Walmart, I think. Still got a lot more to go. My daughter's gonna have to help me eat this, and my 2 granddaughters. My mouth is on fire. Mm. Mm. See right there, it's already cracked for you. Look, I don't know how the mukbang people do this. I'm getting full already. Yep. I'm trying to get it out whole without breaking it. Come on. I tried crab legs for the first time and fell in love with them last March, actually. So this is kind of my 1-year anniversary of crab legs. Look at that. Oh my God. Come on, focus. Look at that. It doesn't want to focus. I'm sorry. Mm. 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 This is so good. Oh, if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Give me a big fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this dinner date that we're on. This is so good. Also, I'm gonna link my first mukbang, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, video up in the card section and at the end screen, so we can compare the two and let me know what you guys think of my first one and this one. This is so good. Let me see. Let me try this. Dungeness crab. I don't know if I can do this one. Uh-oh. That's gonna have to wait. Oh Lord. I'm gonna have to stay with the with the oh Lord. Okay, seafood experts, don't talk about me. Oh Lord. I just messed that up. I'm messing it up, I know. Oh Lord. Y'all didn't tell me I got butter running all down my neck. Jesus. Oh Lord. Okay. Y'all see another king crab leg over there? Okay. I like these better because they're already pre-cracked. That sweet sugar does the trick. It's good. Are y'all getting full yet? I am. Oh, this is already pre-cracked too, Tink. I like this. Ooh, can't do it. Let's try some more shrimp. That's good. Okay, so if we were out on a real dinner date, I definitely wouldn't have butter going down my neck. But since I'm home, I'm full, guys. Any questions? Any questions, y'all leave them down in the comment section below. Or find me on Instagram at Tink, that's lowercase, Tink 720. I'm so full. 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 Oh my God. I can't do this every day. Sorry if it's too long. I don't think I'm gonna eat for another 2 days. This is so good. I haven't even touched the eggs, okay? All that chunky. Can you see that? Look. That is garlic. Hope you got your one. Should have let y'all pick y'all crab legs out first. Sorry. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, share it with your friends. If you want me to eat some more on my channel, let me know. If you want to save some money, join us at Tink TV. If you want to have fun, just join me at Tink TV. Uh-oh. I'm full, y'all. Okay, guys. If you guys want to see, the packaging of the food that I got, I'll show you in just a minute, okay? I'm done. My 1 year anniversary is coming up for YouTube. June 31st of this year. Be my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. I absolutely love this platform. These are shells on shrimp jumbo. Do I look miserable? Because I really am. Okay. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't have a mic, remember. I hope you can see me okay. I'm using my cell phone, which is a Galaxy S9. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support that you've shown to Tink TV. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have no clue how much this means to me. 7,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Yay. I'm sorry. I know it's so rude for me to talk with food in my mouth. But I'm going to save this for later. I can't eat anymore. Don't forget, if you like what you see, thumbs up. I got butter all over my knuckles and my hands. Jesus. But give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And watch the cards up top and the end screens for other videos that I'm going to direct you guys to. I think I'm just going to have coffee for the next 2 days. Oh my God. But anyway, thank you guys. It fell on the floor. Thank God it's in shell. Seafood boil number 2 in honor of our 7,000 subscribers. I am 2,000 subscribers. Actually ahead, behind. I suppose I've done this at 5,000. I probably said that already. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to share this video. Give me any tips, any pointers. Let me know any recipes that I can try for my next seafood boil. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Much love to you all. I love you to the moon and back. Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night. Okay, guys. These are the shrimp that I used. Jumbo raw shrimp from Sam's. These are the crab legs. King crab legs. That's the price down there. $39. And these are the Dungeness crab legs. 2 bags of those. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did not bless my food on film. I'm so sorry. I did bless it before. I did start eating before I hit the record, but I'm so sorry. I do that so many times. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Come back and see me now.